If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.
Aloha, our keto friends. What's your name?
Micah.
What's your name?
Hi.
And I'm Maria, and we are going to make guacamole lovers stuffed chicken breasts. That is one of the favorite recipes from Easy Dairy Free Ketogenic Recipes cookbook. This cookbook has over 200 recipes. Most cookbooks only have 100. And it has meal plans for nightshade free, egg free, they're all dairy free. But anyway, let's make the chicken breasts. So I have my Butcher Box chicken breast, which I absolutely adore. No antibiotics ever used, it's all organic. So I have, oh, my oven is all up to temp. I preheated my oven to 425. Micah, can you take that away? Thank you. And the hardest part is going to be trimming your chicken breast. What you're going to do is take a very sharp knife and you're going to make basically a hole that the guacamole is going to go into. While I do that, can you scrape all of it into the corner of that Ziploc bag? This is why it's nice to have kids help you, right? So, yep, I want all of that in there.
Like cookies?
And you want to make a pocket in this chicken breast, so you're getting pretty close to the edges. Be careful, don't cut yourself. And putting the guacamole into the Ziploc, and we told you how to make guacamole. Check out the video, how to make the best guacamole on our YouTube. And then you have guacamole for this recipe. But you're going to make a nice incision, and then I am going to, that's probably enough, buddy. Thank you. You can wash your hands if you want to. I'm going to cut a corner of this out, and I'm going to squirt it into the chicken breast. I told him I was going to be doing a lot of this. And stuff it as full as you want to, but now it's nice and round like that, see? And now I'm going to open up my Butcher Box bacon, and it helps if you have thin cut bacon. I don't think this is necessarily thin, but it will work. And you want some toothpicks. But that's it. Chicken breasts, your homemade guacamole, toothpicks, and some bacon. That's all you need. You don't even need salt because the bacon is going to add enough salt. And you're going to just start wrapping your chicken breast in the bacon. You're probably going to need 2 pieces for each chicken breast. And if you like this recipe, when you get everything out, do extra and keep it in the freezer. And then all you have to do is bake it when you want one, right? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You're being very quiet. So I'm just going to secure these with the toothpicks. And we have some leaking out, but that's okay. And my secret is I always put parchment on my baking sheet because it makes cleanup so much easier. So much easier. I'm sorry you're not helping too much, buddy. You like recipes with eggs, don't you? Mm-hmm. So you can crack the eggs. Mm-hmm. So here we have it. It's all wrapped nice and secure. And here it is. And I'm going to put that into a 425 degree oven. Let's see, for how long? For about 17 minutes. And we'll catch you back in a little bit.
No,
you can say it.
Ooh, it's so easy and delicious.
So easy and so delicious. I almost wish I put another piece of bacon around it. But this could be an easy, simple lunch for you. Delicious. Show people that keto can be delicious and easy and dairy free, and you still get really good food, right? Mm-hmm. Sharing is caring.
Bye.
Bye.